it's Dimepiece, and I hope you're ready for another tutorial. So grab your parting comb, and we're gonna make medium sections because we're doing small Leray braids. So grab your styling gel, apply and slick down your hair so we can prepare the knotless braid. I'm using RastAfri Braids Classic Original Jumbo in color BT1B/35, but it comes in so many other colors. So we're gonna start braiding our own hair. Now add some Original Classic Jumbo into your braid, then braid, and then add another strand to add body. And close out the braid with a black rubber band. Let's repeat these steps. Add RastAfri Braiding Hair and close off the braid with a black rubber band. Now that we're done with braiding, we're gonna take the loose hair and roll them. You can use rollers, perm rods. I'm actually gonna use curling rods. And now you wanna dip your hair, because the hot water is what locks in the curl. So while we're waiting, let's go ahead and add the loose waves. To do that, I'm using RastAfri Braids Island Crimp in a color 1B, and I'm just gonna pick away a few strands to crochet into my braids to give it that loose beach wave look. So you're gonna need your crochet needle, add more strands until you get your desired look. Now I think we can go ahead and take the roller rods out, so let's go ahead and unwrap. And there's your curl. So now let's set our hair. I love using ORS olive oil styling setting foam to help lock in and set my hair. And we're all done. Your very own Leray braids. Request RastAfri Braid Classic Original Jumbo and Island Crimp at your local beauty supply store. Thank you so much for watching.